Good morning, guys. I feel like I'm getting sick again. Oh yeah, that's good. I'm going to pick up dog food and chicken food and cat food. It's stock up time. It's conveniently all my pets run out of their food at the same time. It's crazy. So I'm gonna go do that, and then I'm gonna clean my office area. What's going on with my hair? And read for a few hours because I need to do that. I have not read in like over a week. I want to finish my Dark Vanessa, and then I want to start the Atlas 6 because I'm in the dark academia mode now. And I just watched Dead Poet Society. I'm gonna buy it on DVD actually right now on Amazon, and the book because I want to read it. So that's what I'm gonna do. And yeah, just gonna have a chill fall day. I have a lot of laundry to do also, and just a lot of organizing. I need to organize my desk in my bedroom. So that's what I'm doing today. That's what this vlog is. It's just a fall vlog of cleaning and organizing because I feel stressed out about my organization. So let me take another swig. Let me take another drink. That looks so pretty. And let's go get my animals food. Hello guys, welcome back. Okay, I know I've been MIA. Let me just see if I can fix this lighting first. Okay, so I'm alive. Hi, I've just been super busy with work, but I do have some good news. Let me just give you an update on my life. Finally have my schedule changed. I'm so happy. I have a new schedule and it starts this week. Well, today is Monday. It started yesterday. So now I work Monday through Wednesday. I get off at 3 o'clock on Wednesday and I'm so excited. So I will have Thursday, Friday, and Saturday off, which is fine with me because I need extra days. That was my main thing. Like, I needed an extra day of work off. So with that being said, I am very hopeful that I can get my life back on track and start filming again. I've just been super busy with work. And I work literally 13 hours a day, sometimes 14. And when I come home, I am just dead. I go to sleep and I get home so late. So yeah, that's what's going on. But today I'm going to show you guys what I have been purchasing recently because who doesn't like to see a little haul? So I bought a couple things recently and I just went and got my morning coffee. My coffee that I can only get once a week from Starbucks. It's a pumpkin cream culvert. You know I love it. You remember my Bath and Body Works haul? This champagne apple and honey lotion smells so good. I need to get that in a candle. The first thing that I'm like super excited to show you guys is a Bible. I've been wanting to get back into my faith, learning about God and actually reading the Bible this time. I haven't read a Bible in so long, and now that I'm like older, obviously, I'm just ready to follow down God's path and just get my life back on track. And I've been turning to God a lot lately with all the minor crises that I have been going through this year, like literally. So I found this beautiful Bible TikTok account. It's called Hosanna Revival. I will link it down below. It's so beautiful. This is the Holy Bible New New Living Translation, and this is a journaling Bible. It's just so beautiful. So obviously when you read it, it has space on the sides to journal, and I'm really excited because I love taking notes, and that helps me like learn things a lot better. And I put a bookmark in the first page that I actually read. I read Psalms 49 1 through 50. I'm in love with this Bible. I've only read it like for a little bit of time, and I'm just really excited to get back into my faith on my days off and start journaling and learning about the Bible. So, and it's beautiful. I do want to get tabs to put on here. We'll see about that. But yeah, this is the Bible. I think it was $50 with a coupon code, which the TikTok account has a coupon code, so it's like 15% off. It's originally 60, but with the code it's 50, so I was very happy to get this. I got a beach waver hair curler. I'm still learning how to curl my hair. I'm really bad at it, to be honest, because I just never curl my hair. So I'm going to practice how to curl my hair because I have pictures that I'm getting taken very soon, and I need to learn how to curl my hair because I want my hair to be curly, you know? So this is just the Beach Waver 1-inch barrel, and this is in the daisy color. It's yellow, and then there's flowers all over it. It's so cute. So I can curl my hair. I just can't keep it like to stay curled all day. I don't know what my hair is doing, but it keeps falling out so easily. That's why I usually don't curl my hair, because my hair falls out so quick. So that's the Beach Waver. Amazon, you all know I bought these really cute glasses, this glass set to use. So beautiful. And it comes with the bamboo lid and cute little golden spoons. These, you can use these for pretty much anything. Oatmeal, any kind of foods and drinks. So beautiful. I cannot wait to use this in my kitchen when we get our kitchen done. I will link these down below as well if you would like to pick these up. The biggest thing that I'm so happy that I got is a new planner. This is my planner for 2024. It is by Elise Brienne Design, and I found her from TikTok, and it's so beautiful. This is a 2024 planner. I just need a planner in my life to help keep me on track. It helps me with everything. This is a weekly and monthly planner. I usually just use the monthly pages anyway because it's better for me to see the whole month, and I just love it. So this one is pretty big, and then we have one side has the days of the week. We have Monday through Sunday, and then the other side is lined paper. I don't know if you can see it. Lined paper, and then the days of the week. I love this. It's very simple, something I can make use of, and because I love writing notes, I just love this note page, the line page, and it's just like that every single week. And then at the beginning of the month, there's a habit tracker. So you can track any kind of habits you want to do. So I would do water, exercise, spending, and then sleeping in. So then you would just track the hours you slept and then all that. Just do really cool colors. So that's pretty cool. Or I could do books. That would be a good one. How many books I read. I'm loving it. I just love it so much. I cannot wait to use this. This goes from January to December. And it's so beautiful. It's the, I don't know which floral design, but it's just so pretty. I just love the orange and pink. I also ordered a couple of scrunchies. 5, I don't know what I did with the other 2. Shocker, but here are 3 of them. This one is so cute. I love the oranges. And then this one is just so beautiful. It's very fall. I'll wear that today. And then this one, so cute. I have 2 more. I don't know where they're at, to be honest. But yeah, I'm just so excited to have such a cute planner. So cute. But yeah, I go to work in like 2.5 hours, so I just want to come on here and let you guys know I'm doing okay, all that. Hopefully this video will be uploaded soon. It might be uploaded when I get off work on Wednesday. Hopefully not, hopefully before that. But yeah, I'm doing okay. Just working a lot, and I'm trying to find inspiration to come back. But I'm gonna have a busy weekend, so I'm excited to film that. So be on the lookout for that, okay? So I'm gonna try to get my desk organized because it's a hot mess. It's a hot mess right now. And then I will see you guys after. Also, I got these hair clips from Walmart for thin hair because I have thin hair, and they work really well to hold my hair up, to be honest. Like, I just love it. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a little montage of cleaning my desk. start finishing our windows. So like my whole bookshelf is moved apart from the window, and everything in this room is a jumbled mess. So I'm just trying to organize my little desk area so I feel a little bit at ease, at least less stressed, because when my space is a mess, I feel extremely stressed out. Like, it's weird. It's almost like I'm bipolar until I can clean it off, or like clean the area. I don't know what it is, but yeah. So I did that, but now I need to like clean up our game area because we brought my Nintendo Switch in here and all that. So it is just a hot mess right now. Like, it's a hot mess, but it is what it is. I'm gonna start reading. I have emails coming in and I'm getting so annoyed, to be honest, but I'm gonna start reading my Dark Vanessa and get things going. I have my computer ready to edit and upload, and yeah, I will see you guys later. Okay? Okay.